Hello, hello. My name is Rashi Jan. I'm presenting my internship project, Homelyhub, completed as part of the WSA B4 program. WSA, that is Website Academy. Today, I'll walk you through my learning journey, the project, and a demo. This presentation documents the successful completion of the Website Academy WSA B4 internship program, culminating in the development of the Homelyhub full stack hotel booking application. As we go through the internship overview, the WS internship gave me structured hands-on experience in full stack web development. My main goals were to learn practical application of both front-end and back-end skills and to complete a real-world project in 4 weeks. It provides an intensive program designed to transition theoretical knowledge into practical full stack development skills, which focus on industry standards. The key goals were to master the MERN stack through hands-on project implementation. The 4-week format included classes with continuous project focused development work and tasks. They even like gave us tasks to do. Like in 2 weeks, they gave us to create a HTML simple like basics you need to know about the HTML. The primary objective was to cultivate robust production-ready coding habits and gain practical experience managing end-to-end web application development lifecycles. So what I learned at WSL. During the program, I worked with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the entire Moon stack. I learned how to turn classroom concepts into code and improved at debugging and teamwork during regular assignments. Although I didn't do any teamwork because we didn't know anyone. But yeah, like if somebody wanted my help, so I was present. The internship provides comprehensive training across the development spectrum, emphasizing collaboration and problem solving. The full stack proficiency, that is the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and the MON. The professional standards gained experience with real world coding standards, including code review, version control, Git, and documentation practices. Time management and teamwork develop effective time management skills by meeting strict project deadlines and collaborating efficiently on complex tasks. Now, the project focus, like what our project is basically on, what it is focusing on. So, the name of the project is Homelyhub. Homelyhub is a dynamic full stack hotel booking web application developed to demonstrate mastery of the Mon stack. Here, the main aim was to create a platform for users to search, choose, and book hotel rooms easily, while admins manage listing and booking. Project summary, I told you, like we can also securely book hotel accommodations online. It is a user-friendly, robust, and scalable system capable of handling high traffic and complex transactional logic. Main users are guests and hotel administrations. Key requirements and feature implemented. The hotel, the project requirements included user sign-up, hotel and room listing, secure bookings, and an admin panel. I focused on building a responsive site that works well for both guests and admins with clear booking flows and review features. It includes authentication and access, search secure user registration, login, and robust role-based access control for distinguishing guests from administrators. Like they have a separate page for admins and for guests. Listing and search. We can search the available hotels and rooms according to your needs. Booking flow. Streamline. It is streamlined multi-step booking process with date selection, availability checking, and payment simulation. Then the admin dashboard. Full crude. Create, read, update, delete. You can create it. You can open to read it, like to check what you have done. Like you can update it also or delete. capabilities for managing hotel inventory, room pricing, and user reservation. Engagement features a built-in review system allowing guests to rate and comment on hotels, enhancing user trust and engagement. Like it was a future key, like we can improve the project, still not added in the main project. System architecture and design. The architecture employs a standard three-tier model, ensuring clear separation of concerns, performance, and future scalability. The whole project is based on MERN, that is MongoDB, and stands for MongoDB, which is used for database, document storage, and queries. Then comes E, Express, or Node.js, like E stands for Express and N stands for Node.js. It is used for backend, business logic, and APIs. Then the R stands for React, where we put up the client logic and interface, front end, security and API layer, authentication, validation, routing. Then the full stack development and end-to view, end-to-end view. Full stack development involves managing every layer of a web application from the server infrastructure to the client interface. It includes front end, the UI, the visible part of the application, which is visible to all of us, like the user, managing user interaction, state and displaying data received from the server. Backend, which is the server, handles business logic, authentication, data processing, and API routing, the engine of the application. The backend is the engine of the application. Database, where we put and save the data. Persistent storage of application data, including user profiles, hotel listings, and booking records. The WSA classes directly map theoretical concepts like component lifecycle or database indexing to immediate practical tasks, proving the value of understanding the entire technology stack. It gave the end-to-end view, allowed me to implement and troubleshoot every part of the app effectively. Stack deep dive. I use the Stack MongoDB for the database, Express, and Node for backend API. The things just I told you in the previous slides. For building the user-facing site, these technologies made the project scalable and maintainable. We just discussed using Merge significantly improves development speed by minimizing context switching, enhancing scalability through non-blocking IO Node.js, and ahem, improves maintainability with its component-based structure. Implementation details and challenges solved. The Homelyhub hand gives a hands-on experience, like seamlessly connected the React frontend with the Express Node app and via asynchronous API calls, deployed and secure the MongoDB instance, optimizing data schema for booking efficiency, integrated authentication layers, ensuring secure session management and data protections, the real-world problem solved, input validation and error handling, implementing server-side validation to prevent bad data entry, and provided information error messages to users. Data synchronization managed state across the application to ensure that booking changes in the backend were immediately reflected in the front-end UI. API security tackles security vulnerabilities by correctly implementing JWTs and sanitizing user inputs to guard against common attacks. Like in practice, I connected the front end and backend secure APIs and deployed MongoDB. I faced challenges with validation, parsing data flow, and bug fixing, but learned best practices for modular code and teamwork. Next, I'll give you the Humlia project review, the test user flow, demonstration of search functionable. I'll show you how we search on that page, admin actions, like on the dashboard and on my account. Then I log in into my account. So there you can see, I'll show you. showing how the UI adapts seamlessly from a desktop viewport to a mobile device, ensuring a consistent user experience. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my project demo. This is MongoDB Compass. I've already connected to Homelyhub, the local one which it is running on. You can see the bookings, properties, users. I've done I've logged in with two accounts and when I log in with this John. Here are the bookings I've done till now. Let's run the code. I already run it. Here is the link. Gonna copy. Hello, good evening. And I'm showing you my Homelyhub project. The logo is this. Let's click on it so it reloads the page. It has two pages with all the available houses. If I want to log in, I can click on this username icon and see I've already named my account, so I'm going to log in with that. If you haven't made it, you can make it by clicking on new user. If you click on new user, you can see the register page here, sign up page, where you can see the path here. In it, it will be saved to your MongoDB Compass. I'm not showing you that. I've already connected my backend. I'm just showing you the main page. If I want to log in, I'm going to put this and I'm going to log in it. As I log in it, you can see my account like this. You can see my avatar. You can also edit it by choosing it by yourself from your PC. Here you can see all the bookings I've done. These are the bookings I did. I try to click it. You can see it's booked. Yeah, then my accommodation. If you want to add a place, let's do mainly Palace. Area you can do Pune, city in Mumbai, state Maharashtra. And give it like this, then you can upload a picture from internet, then you can give the description about it, the property type, whether it's a house, flat, guest house, hotel. I'm going to show you an example how it will appear. Then any type, room type can be anything. The amenities like if you want a Wi-Fi, kitchen, free parking, anything you want from then extra info. You can add a picture of the map also, the check-in and check-out time, maximum number of days and the price for per night. And if you save it here, you'll get saved. I haven't done, so it's telling me to fill in the field. Okay, so let's go back the home page. Let's do one booking. If I click on this Villa, you can see the location here, Corn Hill, Ooty, Tamil Nadu. You can, if you want to look more about it, then you can click on that pictures icon. You can see all the pictures of the Villa here. Like when you open Google and you search for any place, it shows pictures of the place so that users can trust it more. We can also, we haven't added added yet, but we can do it like for future enhancements. We can add the review option here also. The description is also, you can see the description here. The place, what this place is offering, Wi-Fi, TV, free parking. You can see the map here also, the extra information about this place. To book it, you're going to add the, let's do it 23 November. to 4th of December. Number of yes I'm going to give 5. If I try to give it 9, then you will see it's giving the error that test must be 1 to 6 only. So let's give it 4. And I'm going to give them John. You can give any number. Any number, like I'm just showing you, I've been done. Then if you to complete the bookings, showing all the booking details to me. The path also changes here. You can see proceed to payment. If you want to cancel it, and if you here, it's also showing you how your payment information is encrypted and secure. The order ID also you can see it like we have tried to make it very realistic. It's not done like it's not even made that part. Like if you want to book it in real, the payment option is not showing you like that. So to confirm payment, I'm going to click here and it's been confirmed. You can see this on the side of has been booked for vanilla. So if I want to search my destination, I can also do it from here. And like you can do it from here also. So all this project was made handmade and I really had fun making it. Hope to work in WSA in future again. You can see. Let me think what more do I have to show here. Let's try to search destination. Don't have done it many times. It's not helping me. It's a variable. Was not available. That's why it's not showing. Yeah, also if there are filters also, if you want to search for the destination, you can do it from here also. The price range, you can select like when you want to book anything. There, like now websites and companies are also giving the filter so that users can do for whatever the way they want to. It makes the project more user friendly. I personally love this filter about house, room, Wi-Fi, pool, kitchen, free parking, TV. You can see apply filters. It is not available, that's why it's showing property not found. But yeah, I don't know if I can show you this or not. On MongoDB page, I'm not I hope you got what I'm trying to explain here. So this was the Homelyhub project. I personally love making it, and my profile also shows my join date. I joined it on 11 November. So yeah, thank you for watching. That's it.